The playful phrase, play away. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the world of English idiomatic expressions, and we're focusing on the phrase, play away. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use this phrase. When we break down the phrase, play away, we have two words. 1. Play, which often means to engage in activity for enjoyment. 2. Away. This can mean at a distance from a particular place or position. But together as a phrase, do they have a different meaning? Let's find out. Play away is a colloquial term primarily used in British English, which can imply being unfaithful, especially in the context of marriage or a committed relationship. It's comparable to saying someone is playing around, or cheating, on their partner. For example, I heard he's been playing away from home. I hope it's not true. She suspected her husband was playing away, so she hired a private investigator. It's important to use this phrase carefully as it can be quite a serious accusation or topic. Just as with many idiomatic expressions, context is key. While play away often refers to infidelity, in some contexts it might simply mean someone is playing a game or a match in a location away from their home or usual venue. For instance, in sports, the team will play away next weekend, so they won't have the home advantage. Here are some quick guidelines. 1. Recognize its British origin, so it might not be as widely understood outside of the UK. 2. Use it in a cautious manner if referring to relationships. 3. Always consider the context. There you have it. Play away might sound innocent, but it has a deeper meaning in certain contexts. Idiomatic expressions like these make the English language colorful and rich. We hope this video has shed light on this particular phrase, and we encourage you to keep learning and exploring the wonders of English.